In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags to organize work in Goodday. Tags are a simple but powerful way to keep your tasks and projects organized. They work like labels you can attach to your items so you can quickly group, filter, and find them later. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can start using tags confidently in your own workspace. Let's begin inside your Goodday workspace, with a task or item already open. Look for the plus or add icon on the task panel. This plus sign is usually used to add extra details or attributes to your work item. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. This opens a small menu of options you can attach to the task. From that menu, find and click on the option labeled Tags. Choosing this tells Goodday that you want to add or manage tags for this specific task. As soon as you click Tags, a tag section or small window should appear, showing any tags that are already attached or giving you an empty field if none have been added yet. Next, look for a small arrow icon next to the tag field or the tag selector. This arrow usually indicates that there is a drop-down menu or more options available. Click on that arrow. When you do, Goodday will expand the list and show you the available tag options for your workspace. This makes it easier to see everything you can use without having to type from scratch. Now you'll see an option that says Select a Tag. Click on Select a Tag. This is where you choose which specific tag you want to apply to your task. Depending on how your workspace is set up, you might see tags for things like priority, department, status, or project type. Select the tag that best describes this task. You can usually add more than one, so feel free to combine tags if that helps you stay organized. Once your tag is selected, it will appear on the task, making it easier to filter and group later on. From now on, whenever you need to organize your work in Goodday, just open the task, click the plus sign, choose tags, use the arrow to open the list, and then click Select a Tag to apply the labels you need.